Indutrade report a best-ever quarterly result with net sales for the fourth quarter of 2013 increasing by 4% to 2,352 million Swedish krona. Incoming orders increased by 14% to 2,317 million krona. Operating profit before amortization of intangible non-current assets attributable to acquisitions, EBITDA, rose by 9% to 283 million krona, and operating margin, EBITDA, amounted to 12%. Well, as you heard, Indutrade have reported their best ever result with sales for the fourth quarter of 2013 exceeding 2.3 million krona, and this in an economic climate that has yet to show signs of strength. The highly positive developments in Indutrade's operations are due to the strong performance of the group's operations in Switzerland, the UK and Ireland, as well as Finland, exceeding expectations following a period of weak growth. Thanks to cost-cutting measures, the Finnish operation has managed to ride out the continuing weak market. Indutrade's improved results stem from a combination of a rise in net sales and a strong operating margin. Looking at the entire year 2013, net sales rose by 5% to 8,831 million krona, which compares to 8,384 million for 2012. Operating profit, EBITDA, increased 9% to 990 million krona, which compares to 905 million for 2012. The operating margin, EBITDA, amounted to 11.2%, which compares to 10.8% for the preceding year. CEO Johnny Alvarsson, what conclusions should we draw from the positive developments during the fourth quarter? Is this a sign of even further growth in 2014?
As it looks today, is an increase of 14% in incoming orders in the quarter indeed an important and positive signal. We share the general view in the market that growth will pick up slightly in 2014 compared to 2013. In our market, we especially expect growth in UK.
Among your business areas, industrial components and special products continue to show strong performance. What are the factors behind that?
Both business areas have implemented a number of successful acquisitions during the past few years and operate in market segments that have been growing. In the case of special products, it is their operations outside the Nordic region that have been the main growth drivers. And in the case of industrial components, it's Norway as well as the medtech segment in the Swedish market.
The energy sector has continued to perform very positively during the fourth quarter. However, the flow technology and fluids and mechanical solutions business areas continue to struggle somewhat. Now, what impact will this have on Indutrade during the coming year?
There will be a continued challenge to face in those business areas. In some companies, we'll be looking at cost and product range issues. We are expecting a gradually improving market, which will lay the ground for a more positive development during 2014.
During the fourth quarter, Indutrade acquired 4 companies. Medexa Diagnostics Service AB, who specialize in high-end technology for healthcare with a focus on fetal surveillance and ultrasound applications. Kin Pompen Techniek BV in the Netherlands, a technical sales company which focuses on pumps from leading suppliers. Verplus Limited in the UK, manufacturers and suppliers of ducting and ventilation systems, extrusions, aluminium and PVC hoses. And AP Tobler AG in Switzerland, specialists in surface treatment of stainless steel and aluminium for the pharmaceutical industry. Johnny Alvarsson, conditions for acquisitions during 2013 weren't all that favourable due to the limited number of companies up for sale. Now, do you think the situation will change during 2014?
It is impossible to say, but I believe we'll see a slight improvement in 2014. England is a priority for us, but we see continued good opportunities in Sweden. We only buy companies that we feel fit into our operations and show potential. The price has to be right as well. Quantity isn't the priority, quality is.
And finally, looking ahead, the markets outside the Nordic region are becoming increasingly important for you. Now, in what way is this affecting your strategy for growth in the future?
We are building up local teams skilled in acquisition issues in countries such as Benelux, Switzerland, England and Ireland. The buying process is facilitated if our people are of the same nationality as the owners of the companies we may be in the process of acquiring, and if they had themselves previously chosen to sell their company to Indutrade. That would be an enormous added advantage. All this means that we will eventually have 5 acquisition centers in the group.
And those words from Indutrade CEO Johnny Alvason bring this presentation to an end. We'll be back with the report for the first quarter of 2014 on the 28th of April. Thanks for your attention.